Some nice serious Sunday be a guy. What you do? Good food made in a clean environment, madam. Fufu na chill. Beef kakra, mwaba kakra, kakwa kakra, poku kakra, oxtail kakra. Sister, ni na amutoni bi. Jibi na fire nkwan mo wadwen, mo kobi, mo wanzamati. Jibi. Yo, Ebusiafo, this is Hilda's Kitchen. Good food made in a clean environment. Sipis Van Papa Hilda's Kitchen. Today is another day the Lord has made. Yes, you're born in Kakra. We are coming to prepare in Kakra. Me and Vicky. She's the camera woman now, camera lady. So I'm teaching her today. I know I have this soup or this type of soup on the channel, but I just want her to stay here by force. She needs to learn because very soon when I'm coming from work, I will tell her, Vicky, she should be able to know how to do it. So today I've got my oxtail. I have salted beef. I sell them, buy some and enjoy. I've got some beef, normal beef as well. And we've got some snails as well. We've got our onion, chopped onion, very nice. Showing her the simple way. Don't skip through the video. I have some poku. This is smoked tuna. Yes, I sell some toby. Nafayan kakra. No what so. No ya kona wale shankwana. How do you see it? It's going to be powerful. We are very busy today preparing jollof stew and everything. I'm just adding some water, for it to simmer. So this is garlic, onion, rosemary, thyme. So this is my frozen eggplants and other garden eggs, the mini ones. I'm not going to boil it. I'm going to blend it together with chopped tomatoes, courgette, carrots, and some pepper. Avocado. I'm wasting for about 2 minutes. Yeah, I don't want it to be too soft. As you know, I've been chilling Amazon channel a while, so just adding mine. This is garden eggs, carrots, and courgette. So this is my chopped tomatoes as well. While I shall have some notice. Orukodo amanfe when ye be no wenzo. I'm going to allow this to cook on its own for 15 minutes before I'll add the rest of the water. For Hilda's Kitchen, I sell them wherever you are in the UK. You can buy some for your beautiful soup, stockfish. Yes, I'm not going to cover the soup for 15 minutes. And then along here, and I won't add any salt for now because of the kako and the salted beef. Okay, and the poku as well. So we see for nkwanina is for 15 minutes another. Why fine in there? Waka shishim and camely. And I'm no absorb your fanadan sauce very nicely. At this time, means I'll go crab. I will just add hot water to the soup. So Vicky is very serious and very attentive. Because I would like her to start preparing soup at her age. She knows how to do some little things, but it's time for me to start stepping back, allowing her to do or make her own mistakes. Yes. You don't need much. Wait for it. You work hard. So when you are enjoy it to the fullest. Papa bi abrofo orokodo kakra bi a guy. Ebusia, I've got some mini barracuda over here. Jump into the soup. Orokodo. Mpacho dame na mamza yenkoni nyina mutoni bi from no to bi. Na azie de wakanfo. This is so simple recipe, but Charlie, if you free busy papa. Thank you so much for the thumbs up. I hope you are going to share, like, and if you haven't subscribed yet, kindly do. Hilda's Kitchen with simple recipes. Yeah, as a papa, because we want our youth, to feel so comfy to cook their own things. Set as it or for Nkwanadaw is finally ready. As you can see, oxtail womb, beef womb, poku womb, chalikako womb, nwaba womb, nkwan waidi ja. Shakako no way in its wahan. Esha, oxtail no suwom kama. Barracuda nkakrama au you do suwom. Nkwan easy, sister. Wale shwa sabazi. Osefufure no mu ago. Set as it. You will find after church swag. Orokodo. Thank you so much for your time and everything. Kindly prepare some and enjoy with this nutritious vegetables. Fire for carrots, for ntroba kakra, for courgette kakra, for muko kakra, fanyo kakra, rosemary kakra, thyme kakra. Say you kako na zaman function to na why happen life and colored. And thank you so much. We love you for loving us. Until then, take good care of yourself. Some nice serious Sunday be a guy. What you do? Good food made in a clean environment, madam. Fufuna bifika crack, wabaka crack, kakoka crack, pokuka crack, oxtail crack. Sister, na mutoni jibi na fire nkwan mo wadwen wo kobi mo won zamati jibi na ye nkwan tiafo mo wadwen me za adwen aba adwen biadwen ne nyadwen o biadwen ne nyadwen o me za adwen aba me zu wele ebini from kowu ebini so fan coat ebini so fan wele mponcho me zi biaba me zi smoke snails me za aba amanfo wonjibi mamate mezi tuna ebini so fan poku ya bia nkwan ne nyankwa ya bia nkwan ne nyankwa na ehwe he ya mponche nam na ya guy meza ponchabo meza mponche nam abo nkrachefo ahomwe nkoto meza mponche nam abo meza mponche nam abo nkrachefo ahomwe nkoto meza mponche nam abo wele this time obezi oye feel papa sister fortune sum na ade be chi no wala wa